So here is how we can set up a split payment on Splitwise. Now, Splitwise is a great app if you want to split payments with a friend and you want to keep track of the payments that they have made personally. So what we need to do is head over to Splitwise, and now you'll be on this page. So what we're going to do is we're going to select add expense, which will then bring up this page here. So you now want to add all of your different contacts who you are splitting this payment with. So for example, if I click on this one, it will then bring you to a page that looks like this. So enter in a description. What we can do is, let's just say that we are going and we have paid for an holiday and we are wanting the contacts that we have added to pay, sort of a percentage of this holiday. Now you want to go to here, you want to add in the amount that the overall holiday did cost. So let's just say it cost $1,000. Or if you want to change your currency, you can click on this and choose from any available currency here. Now, this holiday cost $1,000 and paid by you and split equally. So let's just say that my part of the holiday cost $600 and the amount that I do need to receive back is around 400. So you go to this. This will then bring this up, and then you want to select more options, and then you want to go to percentage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter my 60% into this box, and then for my contact and the person that I'm sharing my holiday with, I'm going to enable 40%. So as you can see, this adds up to 100% now. If it doesn't add up to 100%, the app will not let you move forward from this stage. So you want to click on done. And then as you can see, what you can then do is select save. Now, once we select save, as you can see here, it will show you how much is still owed by each individual contact that you have added to the split. And then what they can do then is then make payments inside the Splitwise app. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can split a payment on Splitwise.